let me ask you something very important. Why do some people speak English so confidently, fluently, and naturally, while others still struggle with simple sentences like, I am go to market, or I am very confused? The answer is not intelligence, and not even grammar knowledge. The real difference is level of practice. Basic English and advanced English are not two different languages. They are just two different stages of the same journey. And in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can transform your basic English into advanced English. Naturally, without fear, without confusion, and without memorizing boring rules. Stay with me till the end, because if you apply even 50% of what I'm going to teach you today, your speaking style will completely change. Hello everyone, welcome back. If your goal is to speak English fluently and confidently in real-life situations, whether it's interviews, conversations, presentations, or daily communication, then this video is specially for you. Most learners fail because they try to memorize English instead of learning how to use English. So today we are not just learning English, we are learning how to transform English. I will break everything into simple steps so you can follow easily and improve daily. Let's start from the most important stage, foundation. Think of English like a building. If the foundation is weak, the building will collapse. Basic English foundation includes three things. Check mark. Simple vocabulary, check mark. Basic sentence structure, check mark. Basic tenses, present, past, future. You don't need advanced words in the beginning. You just need clear, correct, and simple sentences. For example, I am going to school. I am eating food. I am watching TV. Check. I went to market. Check. I will call you later. These sentences may look simple, but they are the building blocks of advanced English. If you cannot say simple things correctly, you cannot speak advanced English correctly either. So practice basic sentences daily until they become automatic. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake learners make, translation thinking. Most people think like this. Step 1, think in native language. Step 2, translate into English. Step 3, speak slowly. This is the reason you feel stuck. Advanced English speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, Mujhe bahar jana hai, they think directly, I want to go outside. Instead of thinking, Mujhe thoda time chahiye, they think, I need some time. This shift is small, but extremely powerful. At first, it will feel difficult, but with practice, your brain will adapt. Now let's move to the next level, sentence upgradation. Basic English is short and direct. Check. I am happy. He is busy. She is sad. But advanced English is expressive and natural. I am really happy because something good happened today. He is extremely busy with his work right now. She is feeling a bit sad due to some personal reason. Notice the difference? We are not changing meaning. We are improving expression. Now learn to use linking words. Check because, check although, check however, check therefore, check but, check so. Example, basic, I was tired, I slept early. Advanced, I was very tired, so I went to bed early. This is how real English sounds natural. Now let's talk about something most learners ignore, listening. If you want to speak advanced English, you must first train your ears, because your brain learns language through input. Start watching English movies, YouTube interviews, podcasts, real conversations. But don't just watch for entertainment. Observe carefully how sentences are formed, how people connect ideas, how native speakers speak without hesitation. Slowly, your brain will start copying patterns automatically, and that is where fluency begins. Now we come to the most important step, speaking practice. No matter how much grammar you know, if you don't speak, you will never become fluent. Start simple. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day in English. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Example: today I woke up early. I felt fresh. I had my breakfast and started my work. At first you will make mistakes, but remember this: mistakes are not failure. They are progress signals. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is they never stop speaking. Now we reach the advanced transformation stage, thinking in English. This is the stage where you no longer translate. Your brain automatically forms sentences. For example, instead of thinking, "Mujhe kal ka plan banana hai," you think, "I need to plan for tomorrow." Instead of, "Mujhe thoda rest chahiye," you think, "I need some rest." This is where real fluency begins. And it only happens with daily practice. To sound advanced, you must upgrade your vocabulary style. Instead of basic words, checkmark good, to amazing/excellent/outstanding, checkmark bad to terrible/worse/disappointing, checkmark happy arrow, excited/delighted. Also learn phrasal verbs. Checkmark give up arrow, stop trying. Checkmark look after arrow, take care. Checkmark figure out arrow, understand. Checkmark carry on arrow, continue. Example: basic, I understand the problem. Advanced, I have figured out the problem. Small changes equals big impact. Now let's talk about confidence. Many learners know English, but they cannot speak. Why? Because of fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment. But here's the truth. No one becomes fluent without making mistakes. Confidence comes from action, not perfection. Speak even if you are wrong. Speak even if your English is not perfect. Because fluency is built through repetition, not hesitation. So let's summarize everything. Build strong, basic foundation. Stop translation thinking. Upgrade sentence structure. Improve listening skills. Practice speaking daily. Think in English. Learn advanced expressions. Build confidence. English is not difficult. It is just a habit. If you practice daily, even for 20 to 30 minutes, you will see massive improvement in a few weeks. Remember, fluency is not a talent, it is a skill. And skills are built, not born. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay consistent with your practice. See you in the next video.